Yamaki-san from Sigma is a very busy man. He's busy designing full-frame camera. He just joined the L-Mount Alliance, and he has a range of new lenses.
Cinema 5D at Photokina 2018 is brought to you by B&H, the professional source for all your video needs. Canon, live for the story. Cartoni supports your vision. And CVP, your one-stop shop for cine, video, photo, and more.
Yamaki-san, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm always good. You know, what's the choice in life? This is a very interesting show for Sigma with a lot of announcements and a lot of announcements of collaboration. But for me personally, what was really, really interesting is your announcement that you're gonna now develop a new full-frame camera. Where is this coming from?
Yes, actually, we started this project 3 years ago already. We decided to develop the foveon full-frame sensor. And then we were investigating to develop our own full-frame mirrorless system. But at some point, we realized that having a partnership would be better for the customers. So we decided to work with Leica and Panasonic, and we decided to feature the new foveon full-frame sensor in it.
Before talking about this alliance, the new camera, actually your current cameras are only APS-C sensor, am I right?
APS-C and also APS-H.
Yes. Yeah.
The two cameras.
Two cameras. So this is a whole new story for you. And the sensor is already developed or is under development?
It's under the development. So.
And of course, we are very curious about the video specification of this future camera. Is there anything that you can tell us about it?
Sorry, at this time I cannot comment about the specification of the new sensor.
Okay, so let me try a bit different. Do you think this camera will shoot video?
Sorry, again, I cannot comment it, yes.
Okay. Maybe about the time frame, when to expect this camera in the market?
This camera will be available next year, 2019.
When you started to develop the camera, what type of mount you had in mind? Because obviously this evolved into something a bit different now with the alliance with Panasonic and Leica, or was it very clear from the beginning that that's the mount that you want?
Well, as I said, at first we were considering to develop our own mount with a short flange back. Currently, we use existing SA mount lens, which has a long flange back, but we thought that it's time to change to the short flange back new mount system. But as I said, at some point we changed our plan, and we decided to work together with Leica and Panasonic.
How is this connection actually started? Because at the end of the day, Leica, Panasonic, and you, everybody's making cameras, and everybody are making lenses. It's a kind of a competition, but maybe also friendship.
As you know, Leica and Panasonic has been working together for a long time, and likewise, Sigma has been working with Panasonic for a long time for the regular forces and the microprocessor system. We joined the microprocessor system from the beginning, so we know each other for a long time. And then at some point, Panasonic made a proposal to us to join this L-mount system.
This is, of course, putting you under, maybe not personally, but as a company, under enormous pressure. I mean, another mount, another lens system, actually also new camera, as you just said. How do you prioritize? How do you make it all? It sounds like you have to juggle all the time.
You mean there are many new systems?
Yeah.
Yes, but for now we we have our own system I mean the L-mount system. That's why we need to work on the camera and lenses for L-mount system. Regarding the new system from Canon Nikon, we have not looked at the camera yet. So we have great interest in those systems, but we currently we don't have any plan for it. So once the Nikon Z7 was released today in Japan, so we will look at those cameras and make a decision.
And the EOS R is still not, as you said, not yet at least.
Not yet, yes.
One more point about this alliance, because you're all making lenses and you're all making cameras. Is the development will be done jointly with Panasonic and Leica when it comes to lenses, or each company will develop and spend the money on research by themselves? How does it work?
So each company its own product separately, independently, and we do not disclose its own product roadmap each other. But we work together to make this L-mount system very robust and compatible with many wide variety of the products from three companies.
Interesting. And of course, you also announced a range of new lenses. Just a little bit about them, because it's a mixture of prime lenses and zoom lenses. So just in short, what did you announce during this show?
Okay. So we announced a total of 5 lenses at this show. And this is the 56mm f1.4 for the APS-C size and the 4/3 size sensor camera. And f-stop is 1.4. And this lens is available for micro four thirds and Sony E-mount. Very compact, lightweight, but high image quality. And these 2 lenses are from our art lenses, art line, and 40mm f1.4 and the 28mm f1.4. Both of the lenses has a very high optical performance. Especially 40mm will be the I think new standard for the high quality lenses.
Maybe I missed it, but which mount this lens will have?
These 2 lenses are available in Sigma SA mount, Canon EF mount, and Nikon F mount, and Sony E mount.
Okay, and then we come to the
Yes.
2 big zooms.
Yes, these 2 zoom lenses are from our sports line. The one is 50 to 600, and the other one is 70 to 200. Both 2 lenses are designed for the professionals or photo enthusiasts. This lens is a 10x zoom lens, but the optical quality is not poor. Actually, it's superb because it's designed for the professionals, and it covers a really wide range of the focal lengths. And 70 to 200, of course, designed for the photo enthusiasts and professionals. In order to achieve this goal, we use the 9 FLD glass and 1 SLD glass. FLD is a optical glass, but it has almost exactly the same characteristics as a flow light. So we could minimize the longitudinal chromatic aberration and the bilateral chromatic aberration.
And those lenses will come in which mount?
Yes, these lenses are available in Sigma SA mount and Nikon F mount and Canon EF mount.
When you come to design new lenses, especially the line that we see here, is that part of your vision, or the demand comes from the customers?
Actually, I say both, because we have lots of inquiries and requests from the customers, and then we think about it, and then we choose which lens to develop. So the answer is both.
Yamaki-san, as always, it's a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.